Each number has its own frequency, strengths, and challenges. At the heart of numerology lies the concept of life paths, guiding lights that illuminate our journey through life. Each of us is born with a specific life path number, a numerical representation of our innate traits, tendencies, and purpose. Today, we shine a spotlight on hidden secrets of numerology life path 4, delving into its symbolism and significance in the grand tapestry of numerology. Life path 4 individuals are known for their steadfastness, practicality, and commitment to building solid foundations. Like architects of destiny, they navigate life with a keen sense of structure and stability, laying the groundwork for their dreams to flourish. The number 4 serves as a lighthouse, guiding them through the ebb and flow of existence, illuminating their path with clarity and purpose. In numerology, the number 4 is a symbol of stability, security, and earthly wisdom. It represents the 4 corners of the earth, the 4 elements, and the 4 seasons, a testament to the interconnectedness of all things. As we explore the symbolism of the number 4, we uncover its profound significance in shaping our understanding of personal growth and self-discovery. Through the lens of numerology, we gain insight into our true essence and destiny, unlocking hidden potentials and uncovering hidden truths. Life Path 4 invites us to embrace discipline, organization, and practicality as tools for personal transformation. It reminds us that true fulfillment comes from building solid foundations and staying true to our values and convictions. Let us embark on a journey of personal growth and empowerment, guided by the timeless wisdom of the number 4. As we dive into the world of Life Path 4 and numerology, it's important to remember that we're all on our own unique journeys. So take a moment to tune in to what really resonates with you. If something doesn't quite click with you, that's cool too. It's all about finding what lights you up inside. And if there's something that doesn't quite sit well, take a moment to reflect on it. Maybe there's a hidden lesson or a different perspective waiting to be uncovered. Remember, this journey is all about growth and self-discovery. Your life path number is like your spiritual fingerprint. It's unique to you and holds a ton of insight into your journey in this crazy adventure we call life. Now, to calculate it, we take your birth date and break it down to a single-digit number. It's like peeling back the layers of an onion to reveal your inner core. So, let's say your birthday is June 12, 1985. We'd add up each digit like this: 6 June plus 1 plus 2 day plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 year. Then we'd keep adding those digits together until we get a single digit or one of the master numbers, 11, 22, or 33. In this case, it'd look like 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 equals 32. Then 3 plus 2 equals 5. So your life path number would be 5. Now, let's talk about life path 4. If you're a 4, you're the rock of the group, the one everyone turns to when things get a bit wobbly. You've got this knack for practicality that's just downright impressive. Your friends probably see you as the go-to for advice because you've got a methodical approach to life that's hard to beat. But here's the thing, being a 4 isn't just about being a reliable one. It's about finding stability in a world that's always changing. You're like the anchor on a stormy sea, keeping everything grounded and steady. And that's something we can all relate to, right? Think about it. Life's like a roller coaster full of ups and downs, twists and turns. But you're the one who stays cool, calm, and collected through it all. Whether it's balancing your checkbook or navigating a tricky relationship, you've got a knack for finding that steady rhythm that keeps everything in harmony. So, if you're nodding along thinking, "Hey, that sounds like me," then chances are you're rocking that life path 4 energy like a boss. And if not, hey, no worries. We're all on our own unique paths, and that's what makes this journey so darn beautiful. Now, let's dive into the magical world of the number 4, shall we? This humble digit holds a wealth of symbolism across cultures and traditions, speaking to the very fabric of our existence. In many ancient belief systems, the number 4 is seen as a symbol of stability and completeness. Take a stroll through different cultures, and you'll find it popping up everywhere, from the 4 cardinal directions in Western traditions to the 4 sacred animals in Chinese mythology. Now, let's talk about elements: earth, air, fire, water. These 4 elements are like the building blocks of creation, each representing a different aspect of life. Earth grounds us, providing a solid foundation to build upon. Air whispers secrets of intellect and communication. Fire ignites passion and transformation. And water flows with emotion and intuition. Water alone is so powerful that I want to dedicate a whole video to this element. If you want to learn more about numerology, manifestation, and spiritual growth, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And wouldn't you know it, the number 4 lines up perfectly with these elements, embodying that grounded, stable energy we all crave. It's like the anchor that keeps us rooted in reality, even as we soar through the realms of imagination and creativity. But here's where it gets really cool. Look around you. Nature, with its breathtaking beauty, is bursting at the seams with the essence of 4. From the 4 seasons that dance across the landscape to the 4 phases of the moon, it's like Mother Nature herself is singing the praises of this mighty number. And let's not forget architecture. Think about it. How many iconic structures are built upon the sturdy foundation of 4 walls? From ancient pyramids to modern skyscrapers, the number 4 is woven into the very fabric of our built environment, standing as a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship, and in spirituality. Well, let's just say the number 4 is like a wise old sage, whispering secrets of balance and harmony. Whether it's the 4 noble truths in Buddhism or the 4 archangels in Christianity, this number holds a special place in the hearts of spiritual seekers around the world. So, next time you see the number 4, take a moment to pause and reflect on its profound significance. It's not just a digit, it's a symbol of stability, completeness, and timeless beauty that transcends cultures and traditions. And who knows, maybe you'll find a little piece of magic tucked away in its humble embrace. Now, pay close attention. Life Path 4 isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Like any journey, it comes with its fair share of challenges. We're talking about that tendency towards rigidity, stubbornness, and that fear of change that can sometimes feel like a weight dragging us down. But here's the thing. Acknowledging these challenges is the first step towards overcoming them. So, let's roll up our sleeves and dive into some practical tips and advice to help you navigate these rough waters and emerge stronger on the other side. First up, rigidity. As a Life Path 4, you've got this knack for sticking to your guns and staying true to your convictions. But sometimes that can tip over into stubbornness, making it hard to adapt to new situations or perspectives. There is this saying, your comfort zone will kill you. So here's the trick. Practice flexibility. Try stepping outside your comfort zone every now and then, embracing the unknown with an open mind and heart. You'll be amazed at how liberating it can feel to let go of that need for control and go with the flow. Now, let's talk about that fear of change. We get it. It's scary to step into the unknown, to leave behind the familiar and venture into uncharted territory. But here's the secret. Change is where the magic happens. It's where we grow, evolve, and discover our true potential. So instead of resisting change, lean into it. Embrace the opportunities it brings, even if they seem daunting at first. Trust that you have the strength and resilience to weather any storm that comes your way. And finally, let's tackle that stubbornness head on. Sure, it can be a valuable trait at times, but when it starts holding you back from personal growth, it's time to loosen the reins. Practice humility and openness, recognizing that there's always room to learn and grow. Surround yourself with people who challenge you, who push you out of your comfort zone, and encourage you to see things from a different perspective. So, there you have it. Embracing your Life Path 4 journey isn't just about basking in the sunshine, it's about weathering the storms, facing your fears, and emerging stronger and wiser on the other side. So, take these practical tips to heart, and remember, you've got what it takes to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Take the legendary Will Smith, for example. Here's a guy who's not just a Hollywood superstar, but a shining beacon of resilience and determination. Despite his massive success, hasn't been immune to challenges. But instead of letting them hold him back, he's faced them head on, embracing change and pushing himself out of his comfort zone. Case in point, his exhilarating skydiving adventure. Now, most of us would probably be shaking in our boots at the mere thought of jumping out of a plane, but not Will. For him, it was a blissful moment, a chance to break free from limitations and experience the thrill of pure freedom. And that is the power of embracing your life path for energy. Then there's Oprah Winfrey, a true powerhouse in every sense of the word. Here's a woman who's overcome incredible odds to become one of the most influential figures of our time. But her journey wasn't always smooth sailing. Growing up in poverty, facing abuse and discrimination, Oprah could have easily succumbed to despair. Instead, she tapped into her inner strength and resilience, refusing to let her circumstances define her. Through hard work, determination, and unwavering faith in herself, Oprah rose above her limitations and built an empire that's touched the lives of millions around the world. Now, that's what I call the epitome of life path for greatness. Or Elon Musk, for example, the visionary entrepreneur who's reshaping the future of humanity one groundbreaking innovation at a time. From electric cars to space exploration, Elon's ambition knows no bounds. But his journey hasn't been without its share of setbacks and challenges. Yet, time and time again, he's risen above adversity, embracing failure as a stepping stone to success, and refusing to settle for anything less than greatness. It's that unwavering commitment to his vision, that relentless pursuit of excellence that propelled him to the pinnacle of success. And it's a shining example of what's possible when you embrace your life path for energy with all your heart and soul. These are just a few of the countless stories of individuals who've transcended their limitations. They remind us that no matter what obstacles we face, no matter how daunting the journey may seem, we have within us the power to rise above, to reach for the stars, and to live our lives with passion, purpose, and unbridled joy. It's time to buckle up and embrace our journey with confidence and purpose. Life Path 4. You've got this, and I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. First things first, self-awareness and authenticity. It's all about knowing who you are at your core and staying true to yourself, no matter what life throws your way. Take some time to reflect on your strengths, your passions, and your values. What makes you tick? What sets your soul on fire? Once you've got a clear picture of who you are, own it. Embrace your uniqueness and let it shine bright for all the world to see. Now, let's talk about action. As Life Path 4s, we've got some seriously awesome strengths at our disposal. Organization, discipline, and a commitment to excellence that's second to none. So, let's put those strengths to good use. Start by creating a roadmap for success, breaking down your goals into manageable tasks, and setting deadlines to keep yourself on track. Stay disciplined, and don't let distractions derail your progress. And above all else, strive for excellence in everything you do. Whether it's a big project at work or a personal passion project, give it your all and then some. You've got what it takes to achieve greatness. So go out there and make it happen. But here's the thing. Life's not always sunshine and rainbows. We're bound to face challenges along the way. Heck, that's just part of the journey. But here's the good news. Every challenge is an opportunity for growth and transformation. So when life throws you a curvy ball, don't let it knock you down. Stand tall and face it head on with resilience and perseverance. Trust in your ability to overcome any obstacle that comes your way, and know that on the other side lies a stronger, wiser version of yourself. I can't wait to see where your journey takes you. Go forth and conquer. The world is yours for the taking. As we come to the end of our journey together, I want to leave you with a message of hope and inspiration. You, my fellow Life Path 4 individuals, are extraordinary beings with limitless potential. Embrace your unique gifts, your strengths, and your quirks, for they are what make you truly magnificent. In a world that sometimes feels chaotic and uncertain, remember that you are the steady anchor amidst the storm. You have the power to create positive change, both in your own life and in the lives of those around you. Trust in yourself, believe in your abilities, and never underestimate the impact you can have on the world. So, as you continue on your journey of self-discovery and personal growth, remember to always stay true to who you are. Embrace your life path for energy with pride and confidence, knowing that you are destined for greatness. And if you're hungry for more inspiration and wisdom, I encourage you to seek out the next video on your path. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shining your light bright for all to see. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.